Oh, why does the water here in Florida always taste so bad? It smells sulfuric. It has hard minerals in it. It crusts up the bottom of my coffee pot, and it can't be doing anything good for what's inside me. Folks, my name is Adam, and this is 911 Studios, and we're talking about the quality of the water in your household. If you notice you've got hard water, if you worry about the water that's coming in the pipes, if you question the government officials who are in charge of keeping your water clean, well, folks, I've got a great device for you that installs right underneath your counter, right under your sink, and it's going to keep you and your family fresh and healthy with high quality H2O. None of that swamp water, nothing bad, everything good. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to kick it off right now. So folks, we installed this. It's from Angel. It's the X2. And I got to tell you, this is so perfect. First off, multiple layers of filtration and filters to give us high quality, good tasting water. Then I got to show you how little space this takes up compared to the competition that are big, bulky filters. This thing is taking up just a little bit of space. Personally love the fact that there's still plenty of room under here to where we can put things like towels, dishcloths, detergent, etc. And we still have plenty of room for our garbage disposal. And all we had to do was run the line in, run the line out. We've got a waste line, and it was just that simple. So folks, not that long ago, I worked for a biological research company, and we did water quality monitoring. So we're going to measure the parts in each of these, a little TDS monitoring, and we're going to see which one is cleaner. Now over here, we have our filtered water, and over here, we have our tap water. So we'll go ahead, we're going to test it in. Let's go ahead and talk about our purified Angel water. The Angel water has a TDS score of 18. Now let's go ahead and test the water over here. The tap water has a TDS score of 145. So I guess I should back up and say, what is TDS? TDS is total dissolved solids. That's parts per million in a liter. That can be calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, or salts, or it can be organic matter. It could be all sorts of gross things, but it's dissolved solids in your water. So a score over 200 isn't inherently bad for you. However, it depends on what you're taking in. That could be organic material. That could be sewage. That could be bacteria. That could just be hard metals that are bad for your system. So the ability to filter that out with a multiple layer filtration system and getting that number down to a more manageable number is a big deal. Let's go ahead, think about water, and if you can filter out all the contaminants before you put it in your body, it's a no-brainer. You should be doing that. So folks, we have a multi-stage filtration system. We're talking 7 actual stages. A composite pre-filter, getting rid of things like sediment, rust, chlorine, larger chemicals, larger particles, I should say. The reverse osmosis filter, that's a purification design to get rid of solids. It's going to get your TDS down. It's going to get rid of heavy metals, fluoride, nitrates, your PFAS, your permanent items, and of course, it's what's going to really improve your overall drinking quality. And of course, you've got kind of a final stage polishing filter, activated carbon to get rid of smell, all sorts of antibacterial properties, and this thing works so well. On top of that, you've got the lights to let you know when it's time to swap out the filters, and they're just going to pop out and slide right into place. It also helps get rid of things like lime scale. It'll make your dishes cleaner. It'll make it easier to clean pots and pans and things of the sort. I'll drink to that. Delicious. Now, when it comes to the alphabet soup of all the safety standards, your ANSI and NSF and everything there, it's meeting all those standards and qualifications you've come to expect. On top of that, this thing is working at an impressive 700 gallons per day, making sure you have all the water that you need. The water pressure is really good as well, which means that we can fill a glass in a matter of seconds. That matters to me, and it should matter to you. I love the fact that it's ultra quiet, it's getting the job done, looking good, feeling good, and yes, it gets rid of 99.999% of contaminants. The parts that you see, brushed nickel, moves well, smooth, and efficient. How cool is that? And for anyone counting, those 7 stages are pre-stage PP cotton, activated carbon, PP cotton, reverse osmosis membrane, the Angel APCM patented membrane, another activated carbon, and the post-stage PP cotton. So they're using everything to make sure your water is ultra clean. But Adam, isn't it hard to pop out the filters and replace them? Not at all. Just line them up, use your thumb, pop in, pop out, and you're done. And did I mention that the reverse osmosis filter lasts about 3 years, so you're not wasting time and money on replacing filters or buying bottled water. All right, folks, everything else aside, this is a very nice water purifying system. Great for your home, and if you don't have one already, this is a preferred brand that stands behind their products. When it comes to the pure to drain ratio, 2.5 to 1, very good, not wasting, very efficient, energy efficient, and it's not making you replace those filters too often. Good pressure, filling up glasses quickly. This is one that we recommend. With that being said, we've dedicated ourselves. No clickbait, no scams, good quality products, and straightforward reviews that don't leave you hanging. This one's definitely worth it, and we think you should pick one up. You know, I love and appreciate you. But in all sincerity, take care of yourself. Take care of your health. Drink plenty of water. Avoid dehydration. Dehydrating beverages, we'll say. And thanks for watching. Go pick one up. You won't be disappointed. Now it's time to get to shopping. Goodbye, my friends. Adios, amigos. Bye.